Good evening, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I want to look at Transdigm here today, and here's why. The stock's up again on kind of a sluggish market day, particularly in tech, and this is going to be a quick video because I don't have much to say, but it is important that it's said. So the company reports earnings, right? On Monday, stock, or maybe it was Tuesday morning, I can't remember. But the bottom line is the stock trades down, big gap down, traded down to 552 or so on the daily chart, actually lower than that as I look at this. So this was a real crappy day here between Monday the 18th and then the open on Tuesday the 19th. But then what happens? The stock almost immediately rebounds and actually closes up on the day. Not enough, I mean not very much, but enough to make this a green box here. So we got a complete rejection of the sellers by buyers who came in and said, dude, I'll take all you got at 550, 560, basically up to about 570. And then today we have an even more determined group of buyers that are pushing the stock up to all-time highs. Now, I mentioned to our members that, you want to be buying the stock back here. Now, the stock is up quite a bit, and it's not really a safe buy here unless you're an active trader. If the stock, though, pulls back a bit, I think the closer you can get to this low here of 544, the closer you can get to that, the better risk the trade is. In other words, it's a lower risk just because you know where your stop is, right down there, and a higher reward because this stock has formed one big monstrous base with a volatility squeeze in the middle over the last 4 months. So I think this stock works. Now, okay, that's it here. Members, over to the strategy session, which I got out early. We took one of the stocks off our growth stock list because of earnings this afternoon. Everything else, it's all good in the hood.